Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I am Pallavi Nigam, and as you already know that we are here to give you a new recipe for every school day. A recipe which will be quick, healthy and delicious at the same time. So today we are going to make a nice quick Yakhni Pulao. It's full of nutrition and yet super delicious. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So to start making our Yakhni Pulao, we'll heat the pan, add around 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll just add the khada garam masalas, cinnamon, black peppercorns, green cardamom and black cardamom. So now my spices are nicely fragrant. We will add chopped onions. Just add a pinch of salt on top of onions and saute it till it's nicely golden brown. Now my onions are nicely golden brown. Now we'll add just a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, just a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a tablespoon of coriander powder and around a tablespoon of garam masala. Give it a quick stir. और अब हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे और दूसरी वेजिटेबल्स, बेबी कॉर्न और green peas. And now we'll add my favorite ingredient, soya bean chunks. And actually it's a very big source of protein, especially for vegetarian people. So for all those vegetarian out there, try to incorporate soya bean chunks in your recipes as much as possible. And now we'll add curd. And now we'll add our Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce. You know, Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce balances the flavor of the recipe by adding the taste of both sweet and spicy. Just give it a nice mix. So all the Yakhni masala is ready. We'll add the rice. And now we'll add water. So मैंने 1 cup rice लिया है. So we'll add approximately 2 cups of water. Just a pinch of salt. Mix it up. And we'll simmer the rice just for 10 minutes till it's cooked. So 10 minutes are over. Let's check on our pulao. Wow, pulao is looking really delicious. Let's pack our tiffin box. And we'll add some grapes and some cashew nuts. Now my tiffin is packed and absolutely good to go. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, and I will be back soon to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.